bring it to the flow. Retrospec and that's yo, better than roll up burnt on the back on yo. Yo, what's the flow at?
Don't get me started, nigga. Like, it's my nigga Retro. I remember the days that I was bumping Esco. It's a Nas, nigga. Oh, like shit. Fucking like a bomb,
yo,
nigga.
Retro.
I'm the dawn,
yo,
nigga.
Retro.
Like,
make better beats than Esco. Yeah, nah.
I really be rapping for real. Niggas can't fuck with me, nigga.
Nah. So much like what? Hammer? What the damn? Amazon with the Amazon. Yo, I'm on Amazon.
I'm in Brazil, Amazon with the Amazon, nigga.
Yo, I'm on, yo, niggas said some wild shit in the club.
That's crazy.
Yo, we was in the club, it's the wild shit. Nigga was like, yo, I'm in Amazon, discount with the Amazon.
Who said that?
Nigga, me, I'm taking that.
Nah, he took it from me, nigga.
Yo, why you doing that, bro?
He took it from me, nigga.
Why you doing that, bro? Why you doing that?
Yo, let me have that. Like, yo, Amazon. I'm like, yo, bro, let me have that. Like, no. Let me have that. Nigga, stop playing. Nigga was so bad. Nah, son, nigga was like Amazon.
Business, nigga.
If not, I'm gonna take this.
Good shit. Yeah. Now that's fire.
You say you a wild coyote, Dust.
You know what I mean? That shit retarded.
Let's bum back to the block. Now I need some food. I need that Thai food.
Nigga said I need Thai food.
Yeah, we get it bracket, nigga.
Ooh.
Fuck with a nigga, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm a hat boy like a magician's cat, nigga. Gangster, man. I'm a
Take that. Yo, I'm in that Amazon shit. I'm taking that ball, bro. You would hear that shit like, oh, this nigga know he hit it.
I'm a hat boy.
Yo, shut up, Dust. Nigga say your stack game is stupid. Yo, you can stack like that?
He's an athlete. Nigga's an athlete, nigga.
I've been an athlete, nigga. I played football and basketball, nigga. I've been an athlete.
Yeah, but Jersey got space, though.
Nigga.
Jersey got space, though. You know what I'm saying? You can do all that over there. You know what I'm saying?
I make space. I am space, nigga. I am the spatial region, nigga.
Y'all on my way right here.
I'm a dark artist, I'm a scientist, I'm a superhero, nigga. I'm everything.
It's not fair.
It's not fair.
If the world
ain't fair.
If the world had people like you, we get more trouble.
The world don't need more people like me. I cause too much heaven.
Yo, there's only room for one rap.
Nigga said that shit gonna be stupid. Yo, this nigga's a genius right here. This who you looking at?
The Renaissance man.
He could possibly. I wouldn't say he'll be the next. What's that lemonade nigga?
I'm not the next nothing.
What's that? I like that. You know who I was talking about though, right? The lemon, yeah, the Cole Bennett nigga where he do all underground niggas.
I'm not the next anything, bro.
Hell yeah, I fuck with that.
Niggas is the next me.
I fuck with that.
That's it.
I fuck with that.
I'm not the next anything.
I fuck with that.
Crazy.
I love that shit. Bro. Yo, that energy is crazy, my nigga. I love that shit, bro.
I don't want to be the next anything. Even if you put me in a name where a nigga did a lot of things in his life, nigga, you have to say I'm the next. I don't care what he did, my nigga. I don't want to be that, my nigga. I don't even care about being big. I just care about being me. That's a problem with niggas.
Love it, girl.
I'm the best at being me, nigga. And you can't fuck with that, nigga. You know what I mean?
Once I get on Jerry Springer, I made it.
Yourself, you cannot fuck with that.
What you said, Dust?
Once I got on Jerry Springer, I know I made it. I'm like, yo, that's my dream goal, get on Jerry, nigga.
Look, I don't fear death. I fear death without a legacy behind it.
He's immortal.
That's my only fear.
Imagine
dying, you got nothing left behind.
Yo, my soul red one.
That shit hurts me just
He wants to at least something here. Nah, look. The goal is to what in life? Be immortal. You got at least something here.
But I'm mortal in the sense of that, like,
You feel me? I'm saying like
look, your body is a vessel, my nigga. Your body's just a vessel. Your body gonna fade away, nigga. Whatever, nigga. It's your soul, your legacy.
But once you live here,
what you leave behind, my nigga.
So you got at least something here.
That's why, nigga.
Some people do it with kids. Nah, but doing
watch. I'm setting up youth camps. You feel me?
Okay,
A
Rev.
bunch of other things, my nigga.
Okay, Rev.
My name is gonna stay here for a longer time than my body could ever imagine, my nigga.
I'm making a daycare center, little babies.
I'm telling you.
That nigga said he
It's
opened
not
up youth
cocky, my
camp.
nix, it's confidence.
I like
and
that.
I do the work for real, my nigga.
Stats, don't that right there.
I love the shit I do.
You want the brazen fire.
Nigga said youth camp. Yeah, her shit crazy. Damn.
Your body nothing but a vessel, my nigga. When you realize that and you realize your soul live forever, you're gonna put all the work into making sure your soul leaves a presence. You know what I mean?
You need to be immortal. You want to here. Like Basquiat, his fans are like, he blew up later in like death. So his fans,
Yo, low key.
weren't born yet.
I respect it now. I respect it.
Everything y'all niggas is saying we can use as a skit, my nigga. This shit crazy. This shit crazy, my nigga.
His fans weren't born yet. He blew up now.
Look.
10 years, 20 years you've been there.
Look, my nigga, though, I respect it, but respectfully, I don't even want to like insert name. I don't even care about none of that. I don't give a fuck about none of that, my nigga. I'm me. We gonna do it like Revenant. I look up to a lot of artists. I'm inspired by a lot of people, but I don't want to do it like them, my nigga. It's me, nigga. It's just me. That's it, nigga. You can't fuck with a nigga like me.
Nah,
Not to be trifling with
nigga,
nigga.
these niggas, Max being the beat birth.
Niggas wish. Niggas can never be, nigga. Hey yo, get with it or get ran over by it, nigga. Finesse the world, nigga. Yo, finesse you. That's your choice, nigga. But I finesse the world, nigga.
Like
I got the world in my palms, my nigga. I hold the globe in my hands, nigga. I wake up, already know what the fuck going on for this day, the next day, the next day, my nigga. You know what I mean? You can't fuck a nigga like me.
Yeah,
Yo, this footage, bro.
I'm one of the best niggas to ever do life.
I owe you,
Bro, this footage right here,
I mean,
I'ma send to you, my nigga.
That's
You saying some crazy shit right now, bro.
I'm just talking about how I think every day. I say the same shit every day. It's not like new, nigga. You know what I mean? Like, but I'm one of the best niggas to ever do life.
I want to
Ever do
invest
life.
in your economy.
Art for everything. I'm one of the best niggas to ever do life, nigga. You gonna see. I'm only 24, nigga.
Tonight.
24.
Give me another decade, my nigga. I'm telling you, my nigga.
Nigga say he's only 24. I didn't even know that shit.
Take your time.
I'm about to go crazy with this shit. Niggas can't fuck with me, nigga. Sometimes I'm gonna cry thinking about where I came from and where I am now. I ain't wanna cry thinking about where I'm gonna be, nigga, cause this shit's so crazy. I'm gonna help the world. I'm gonna make the world a better place. Easy. I don't think it, I know it. Niggas be hoping. I don't hope for shit, nigga. I know I am. You know what I mean? When you start hoping this shit, when you start trying shit, I'm gonna try to do this. You already accepted failure, my nigga. You either win or you.
That's a truth.
You either succeed or you
You're going crazy right now, bro.
No. You either succeed or you fail, though.
Nigga,
When you try shit, you might fail. I'm not trying shit. I'm just doing it, nigga, and I'm gonna win every time. Niggas call that cocky. I call that, nigga, being your own god in your own life, nigga.
Yo, I do.
That's it. That's all I gotta say.
That's all. That shit. But yeah, look at my niggas got the top
Is
food.
you right here?
You know what I mean? Oh, you see this? What? Yo, what?
You know, since the pandemic, I've been working on my art a lot. There's nothing else I'm like doing. I feel like I'm putting a lot of work into, so I appreciate it.
Oh, of course.
Any woman deserves to feel beautiful.
Thank you.
If you a nigga,
No, that's, oh,
Yo, Rev.